Hey guys, it's Friday, the day before the Ore to Shore mountain bike race, and we're here in downtown Marquette. Registration opens at 6 o'clock. It's about 4 o'clock right now, so we've got some time. We're buzzing around downtown Marquette, and down the way there you can see that gigantic rubber duck. So you know, of course, we've got to go check it out and see what's going on. So let's go have a look.
Arr, pirates. Always wanted to do that. Look at that ducky.
That is a big ass duck.
That is a big ass duck. Oh
So
my
it's
goodness.
a tall ship display. These are cool.
Yeah, these are very cool. They remind me of Gasparilla celebration in Tampa every year. And super, super cool. Look at that.
Where did you go? Austin, Elvin Charlie tried to caution you.
Get a shot of it. Just so you guys can see just how big this. I'm walking backwards. Hopefully I don't run into anybody, but that's how big. Sorry, away. That's how big the duck is. That is one big duck. Yeah.
That was an amazing ducky experience. It's race day. Rich is
And
getting
it's
his-
cold,
Yeah.
and it's rainy, but it's still gonna be fun.
I mean, isn't that what you want in a mountain bike race? Is a little, messiness? Doesn't it make it better? What's your number? 2474.
72.
Wow.
2472.
That adds up to 15, which ends in a 5, which means it's in the lucky number range, or the approved number range. And 2 is an even number, so that's good. Must have the water bottle. If I were doing this, I need like 7 water bottles. 1 would not cut it. As you can see, my bike's up here. I have the nice leisurely bike, which I may ride around later while I'm waiting for him to finish the race. But if it keeps raining, I'm gonna say no. Heading down the hill, that's Teal Lake. Cute little lake here in the UP of Michigan. We are in Nogany, and I finally learned how to say that after three weeks here. And the trail is 28 miles, and it's going to take Rich into downtown, just about downtown Marquette.
So you can see me go through the start line. So
Okay.
We'll see you at the finish line.
Okay.
30 seconds. Are you ready? Foot on the pedals, shoes locked in. We are now just 20 seconds away from this year's race. 15 seconds before the start of the Ore to Shore mountain bike epic. We are now at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! On the top round course.
Hasselcraft, also from Alpena. Daniel McDougall from Attica. Richard Wolf, Firestone, Colorado. Tim Ely and Carrie Ely, both from New Prague.
I thought a little bit of context might be necessary so you could figure out why I was doing a mountain bike out of the middle of nowhere. 15 years ago, I lived in Michigan. I was born and raised here, and I used to be a competitive mountain bike racer, and the Ore to Shore was always my favorite race of the year. So since we were up here while the race was going on, I thought, what a great way to jump back into the community and just do the race. Now, I wasn't really concerned about winning anything. In fact, I just considered it basically a group ride with 1,400 of my close community friends. And I didn't do too bad. What was I, about 700 out of 1,400?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, you're right in the middle.
Yeah, right in the middle, a mid-pack rider. I was perfectly happy with that. I just wanted to go do the race and have a good time. And I did the 28 miles in just under 2.5 hours. My average speed was about 12.5 miles per hour. So actually, all things considered, I was pretty happy with that ride. Our time here in Marquette is wrapping up, but we've got one more thing that we want to show you. So you'll want to stick around next week. And I would consider it probably what? The quintessential thing to do.
In Munising, yes, because that's what everybody goes to Munising for.
Which is just outside of Marquette. So that'll wrap up our time there, and then we'll be on our way down to St. Ignace, which is where Mackinac Island is. On our way back from the race to our campground near Munising, there's this cool industrial sculpture park.
Free, open to the public.
So we want to close out today by taking you through the sculpture park and taking a look at some of the cool sculptures. Be sure and like this video, subscribe to our channel.
And hit that notification bell so you know when we release another video, which is always on Sunday, but at least you'll know the minute it comes out.
Let's take you out and take you through the sculpture park, and we'll see you next week.